morning to everybody. Good morning to our followers, and good morning to Sylvester, who is here from ECOS, Educational Consulting Success. Thank you for being here with us today. We have some interesting questions for you, and we are sure that your answers will help students that are approaching the international cooperation field. So, first of all, let's start talking about ECOS. It's based in Kigali in Rwanda. Maybe you can tell us a little bit more about what the company deals with and what your role is in the company.
Thank you. Educational Consulting Success is a dynamic and independent research consultancy company. We support a wide range of corporate, public, private, and the civil society organization and individuals in the process of translating the plans and the dream into concrete actions that can make a holistic, positive change in effective and efficient way. We do this by providing tailored consultancy training, coaching, and advisory services based on the specific needs of the client. Currently, the area of interventions for ECOS include education, governance, health and nutrition, water, sanitation and hygiene, child rights and child protection, gender promotion and strengthening, youth engagement, agribusiness, institutional development and the organizational strengthening, what we call IDO or IDOS, and humanitarian. My role as the managing director is to coordinate and manage the business activities and ensuring that the company is delivering quality service as per terms of the contract with our client.
Well, good. You mentioned education, and you've somehow been always involved in education, which of course is for us at the IBF Foundation a very important aspect. You actually worked as a teacher while you were ending your master's degree. Do you think this experience somehow influenced your decision to go into consultancy, or what particularly attracts you to this field?
A combination of lessons learned and experiences from various positions I had from the teaching career, public service and development organization at Netherlands Development Organization, SNV, as education advisor, enabled me to shift to consultancy industry. Building on my expertise and the practical knowledge of the development context, I wanted to add value as a consultant to the community development and the transformation by generating evidence for our clients so that they can make appropriate decision and informed planning process.
Well, good. So you've had a long experience on the field during your career. I imagine this gives you also a deep understanding of your country, and it helps you in your work today. Do you think that field experience can actually help people to understand more the cultural differences in a project? How can this impact on someone's career?
Field experience is definitely an important channel to learn and understand different social and the cultural aspect of a project. With the field, you bring the theoretical models and the tools on the ground and discover what is working well or not and why, and then learn from each single process. The field work gives you an exposure to the reality of the situation and allows you to tackle the real issues if you want to bring change into the community of the project beneficiaries and the stakeholders.
Good. So going back to you, is there anything you would like to do in the future? Any dream that you would like to achieve that is in your mind?
Expanding the geographical coverage of our consultants business in Africa and strengthening the partnership and the collaboration with the other international and regional consulting firms and the partners for a greater impact of our services and interventions.
And during your experience in consultancy, is there any project that you followed that is particularly in your heart, and why?
Each project is unique and it has a lesson to keep and to build on. Though all consultants program activities complement each other, the graduation pilot project baseline for refugees and the host community in the humanitarian sector left a particular attention to me. It calls upon all stakeholders and the development partners to join efforts and interventions for a real, inclusive, and sustainable economic development.
Good. So last but not least, what would be your personal advice to students that are interested in working in international cooperation? Maybe something about themselves they should work on, or maybe you can tell us what helped you in your past, for example.
I would encourage these students to adopt a positive attitude and being optimistic, to learn from development practitioners. They should move from the comfort zone and identify the issues existing in the community and contribute to the problem solving. Volunteering, internship, membership to professional and focused social networks, etc., are a good source of experience, knowledge, and skills development for students.
Yes, well, moving from comfort zone and action, of course, are very good advice. I think I agree with you. So thank you very much, Silvestre, for being with us today. Thank you for sharing your experience. I'm sure it will help students that are moving in this direction. And maybe one day you will have also a trainee working with you when this pandemic is over. We hope soon. So thank you very much.
Thanks for having me. Good luck for students who are interested in working in the development cooperation field. This is the good time to make a difference in the development world.
Yes, we hope so too. We also hope that they will make the difference in this world. So thank you again. And thank you for our conversation. Thank you to all our followers that have been listening. We hope you enjoyed Silvestre's interview with all his very precious advice. If you have any questions or you're interested in any particular subject, you can always write to us at info@ibf-foundation.org, and see you for the next video. Thank you, and thank you again, Silvestre. Goodbye.
Bye.